Air knives dry the fruit to prepare it for slicing. Fine filters ensure clarity and consistency.
Welcome to the modern strawberry factory, where fresh berries from the field become sweet, ready-to-eat desserts.
Strawberries arrive fresh from the fields and are inspected immediately.
Automated scanners separate ripe, undamaged berries from lower quality ones.
Trained inspectors verify berry quality by touch and sight.
Loose leaves and stems are removed before washing.
Robotic arms ensure only the best berries move forward.
The first wash removes dust and field residue. A sanitizing soak ensures food safety.
Gentle brushing removes stubborn residues.
Air knives dry the fruit to prepare it for slicing.
Cooling preserves freshness before processing.
Berries move into the preparation zone for slicing.
Hulling removes the leafy crown cleanly and precisely.
Precision cutting minimizes waste. Automatic slicers halve the strawberries uniformly. Every cut piece undergoes a second quality check.
Selected berries are blended into a rich strawberry puree.
Seed separation gives the puree a smoother texture.
Fine filters ensure clarity and consistency.
Pasteurization eliminates harmful microorganisms.
Rapid cooling preserves flavor and color.
Color and sweetness are checked for consistency. Homogenization gives the puree a velvety finish.
Ingredients are blended to create different dessert types. Ingredients are blended to create different dessert types.
Heat activates gelling agents in the dessert mixture.
Strawberry puree blends into yogurt for creamy desserts. Fruit chunks add texture and natural sweetness.
Texture is measured to maintain product quality.
Filling machines portion dessert accurately. Yogurt desserts are filled with precision.
Compo is filled hot to ensure perfect sealing.
Cooling stabilizes dessert texture.
Toppings enhance flavor and presentation. Heat seals lock in freshness.
Heat seals lock in freshness. Labels identify dessert type and production details.
Desserts are organized into multi-packs.
Shrink wrap protects products during transport. Cartons are assembled automatically. Robots build pallets for shipping. Wrapping stabilizes pallets for transport. Weight checks ensure correct packing. Cold storage maintains dessert freshness. Trucks maintain ideal temperature for delivery. Shipments are monitored throughout transit.
Finished desserts are ready for customers.
Products are exported worldwide. The facility resets for the next day. Sanitation ensures hygiene for future batches. Quality data is reviewed after each production cycle.
Security safeguards the facility around the clock.
Modern factories operate with precision, day and night.
The factory connects farmers to consumers worldwide. Different formulations serve different markets. The final taste reflects every careful step. Strawberry desserts reach customers worldwide.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to explore more modern production systems.